have one sewing mate for you, and that is McCall's 7131, and this is what it looks like. I made view A, which is a skirt. I bought the fabric from a fabric store that is in my area, but it's not like a well-known store. It's just a little small shop, and the fabric is very, very flowy. I really don't honestly know what it is, but it's really, really nice. This pattern has pockets on the front. It's also got pleats down the front. Here's the other pocket. It's somewhere over here. Where is it? Okay, there it is. And there's pleats down the front, and then it has an elastic band in the back. So it's really fairly simple, quick, easy make, and I really like it. And I will show you what it looks like on, so go ahead and have a look. Okay, so that is all that I have for you today. Before I go, I just want to leave you with a love share. So the love share today is a place in Vegas, and it's called or referred to as a construction equipment playground. The place is called Dig This, and what you can do is actually go there to operate heavy machinery just for the fun of it. So you can, sit behind a bulldozer, you can actually dig into the dirt and just play around, and it's all just for the sake of having fun. So if you're ever in Vegas and you want to do something different, that might be a place that you want to check out. I will leave a link in the description about the Dig It place, just a little clip that I found on YouTube, just in case you want to look at it and see what they have to offer. All right, so that's all that I have for today, and thank you so much for watching.